With continuation of our barista, Miss Reagan, making our white chocolate mochas.
I've never made one of these. It doesn't taste good.
It'll be good. It'll be fine. Practice will make perfect. I wonder if you can froth that. The coffee creamers.
Probably.
That's what I'm wondering too, because I kind of like my coffee creamers a little bit, don't you?
Yeah, as opposed to just milk.
It just gives it that extra dose of flavor. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Let's see here. That's really good.
Is it sweet?
It's not overtly sweet, but it's really good.